Yosemite National Park is a world-renowned natural treasure in California's Central Sierra Nevada. Established in 1890 and designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984, spanning about 1,187 square miles, 95% of which is wilderness. It's celebrated for its iconic granite formations like El Capitan and Half Dome, North America's tallest waterfall, Yosemite Falls, ancient giant sequoias, deep valleys, alpine meadows, and diverse wildlife. It played a key role in the U.S. national park movement and attracts millions of visitors annually.